Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this lesson, we will examine using the client credit card account to track and pay all client costs, if allowable, within your state. Remember that if you do use a client credit card, to never mix charges between the client and the firm's credit cards. Before you begin, you should review all the lessons within Chapter 21 of the Advanced QuickBooks Manual regarding entering and paying credit card bills. You can enter charges using the items you created, just as you would when creating bills for payment from the Client Trust account. You simply enter these charges into the Enter Credit Card Charges window by selecting Banking, Enter Credit Card Charges from the menu bar. Then select the Client Trust Credit Card Account from the Credit Card Account drop-down at the top of the window. Be sure to use the Items tab to enter the line items that represent the services and expenses you pay from the Client Trust account. Just as when creating bills, be sure to mark each line item as not billable when entering the charges. When you have finished, click the Save and Close button to save the charges. When the credit card bill arrives, you can then reconcile the client credit card account with the bill received. After a successful reconciliation, you can select to enter a bill for the charges. Be sure to select the Client Trust Accounts Payable account from the AP account drop-down at the top of the bill. Then select the Client Credit Card account from the Expenses tab at the bottom of the bill. You can then click the Save and Close button to save and close the bill. Then you can pay the bill that was received by using the Pay Bills window to pay the bill entered against the Client Trust AP account with funds from the Client Trust checking as usual. In this lesson, we will examine how to pay bills from the Client's Trust account using the Pay Bills window. If you need to review paying bills, please read the lesson Paying Bills in Chapter 12 of the Introductory QuickBooks Manual. To start the process, select Vendors, Pay Bills from the menu bar within QuickBooks to open the Pay Bills window. Next, select the Client Trust Accounts Payable account from the AP account drop-down that appears at the top of the Pay Bills window when you have multiple Accounts Payable accounts enabled within a company file. This will filter the window to show only bills entered against the selected Client Trust AP account. Next, you should ensure that you select the Client Trust Checking account from the Account field within the Payment section of this window to ensure that the funds from the Client Trust account will be used to pay the selected client bills. You can then mark and pay the bills as normal. Note that you should remember to change the Payment Account and Accounts Payable choices within the Pay Bills window when you go to pay the law firm's bills in the future. You will always need to check the choices made within these fields when paying bills to ensure that the correct funds are used to pay the correct bills.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.